National Weather Service in Lake Charles has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Beauregard Parish in southwestern Louisiana, Calcasieu Parish in southwestern Louisiana, southern Newton County in southeastern Texas, northeastern Orange County in southeastern Texas, southeastern Jasper County in southeastern Texas until 11:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10:51 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Trout Creek to near Devil's Pocket to near Morrisville, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lake Charles, Sulphur, Orange, Vidor, Westlake, West Orange, Vinton, Kerberville, Maryville, Singer, Deweyville, Moss Bluff, Duck Quincy, Ragley, Call, Starks, Fields, Bon Weir, Morrisville, and Gist. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into a small central room and a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.